Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two essentials: the same Microsoft account on both devices and both on the same Wi-Fi. Once done, open Settings on the console, go to Devices and Connections, then Remote Features. Enable Remote Features and set Power Mode to Instant On so the console wakes remotely. Make sure the Xbox app on your phone is updated, then sign in. This creates the secure link you need to complete connection steps that follow. You now link the phone app to the console. In the Xbox app, tap your profile, choose Consoles, then add a console. The app will search the local network. If it doesn't find it, enter the console's IP address from network settings. When prompted, a 4-digit pairing code appears on your phone. Accept the same code on the console or in the console's notifications. Once paired, the app lists your console and shows remote play and streaming controls. This is the connected state you want. You finish by starting remote play. Tap the console in the app, select remote play, then pick desired stream quality and controller input. Once streaming, your phone mirrors the console and you can play. If you see lag, reduce quality, move closer to the router, or switch the console to wired Ethernet and use 5 GHz Wi-Fi for the phone. If pairing fails, make sure you're signed into the same account, restart both devices, toggle remote features off/on, and repeat the pairing process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.